boys and girls. Welcome to our last video of our YouTube channel and our summer school program. Mrs. Geringer has had so much fun being with you this month for summer school, and our last video is going to talk about what you see right behind me. We all know from Outer Space Week, we read and learned about that this was our planet Earth. Yes, this is where we live, right? Oh gosh, friends, there are so many places in planet Earth and all around the world. But what we're going to be talking about today is only 4 places all the way across the world from each other. Now, I am super excited that as of tomorrow, or maybe you're watching it today, we are going to be reading what's called Around the World from the Berenstain Bears. And this is going to be talking about how they travel all around the world. I can't wait to read this to you for story time. But let's talk about just a couple of places around the world that do certain things during the summer like we do and maybe not like we do. Okay, so I'm excited because I know that all of you do fun things during the summertime. I know that I like to do some of what you do, which is ride your bikes. And some of you like to go to the beach where we see the waves. And we just talked about what's under the sea on the ocean floor. And I also know that we like to play ball at the park. There's so many things that we can do during the summertime. We can go swimming in our swimming pools, right? Okay, let's start. We're going to talk about 4 places that Mrs. Geringer picked that do things or that we do during the summer, or maybe they don't do things like we do. Let's start with a fun place called Argentina. Okay, this is like our world map. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong one. This is Argentina, boys and girls. Okay, Argentina. Let's look at our planet Earth world map. This is where we live, right up here. So when you see a great big globe world map of planet Earth, you know that this is the area that we live in. Let's go way down here to a place on this side of South America called Argentina. Can you see that map? Okay, let me tell you, when it's our summertime, just like it is outside right now, super hot in Argentina, way down below us, it's cold. And so summer in Argentina starts before Christmas time. What? During Christmas time, we know that it's cold for us, but it's hot for them. Well, that's because of the way the heat travels. Now, and during that time, it stays hot all the way from Christmas time to almost Valentine's Day. And their favorite activity to do during the summertime, check this out, is to go water rafting. Doesn't that look fun? Look at how they get to sit in their tube and do some water rafting through waterfalls and some rough waters. Wow, that's one of their favorite activities down in Argentina. All right, boys and girls, let's keep moving around our globe. We're going to go right over here. Now, remember, this is where we live. We went down here to Argentina. And so now we're going to go right back up and jump across to this area of our globe to a place called India. Okay, now let's look at the map. India. In India, it is hot just after it is hot in Argentina. So we have Christmas time for us. It gets hot in Argentina. Then we move up to India. And just after Valentine's Day for them, it starts to get hot. And in India, as we start our summertime here, that's when the kids in India are going back to school. Now, that seems kind of silly, right? We are done with our school year and they all start coming back to school. Well, let's share during their summertime what they like to do for fun. And that is a lot of the kids like to go to summer camps where they get outside with other kids and they do some really fun things. Maybe down by a river, maybe on a beach. They like to be in groups and have fun activities going on all the time. Sometimes these summer camps can last for up to a week or 2 weeks. So fun to spend time during this summer with friends, right? At summer camps. That's what they love to do there. All right, let's keep moving. So now we're going to go to a place called England. Let's look at the map. There it is. It's pretty small on a map, but from the place of where India is located, we're just going to move right over this way, and England is right on this side. Now, this is super cool because in England, they like to do some of what we do. They like to ride their bikes during the summer. They like to go to the beach, and their summertime is at the same time as our summertime. And families in England, they like to take summer vacations too. Don't you like to leave with your families? Maybe grandma and grandpas, mommies and daddies, all go in the same car and take trips, right? They like to do the same in England. Okay, last place we're going to talk about, friends. Let's jump all the way to the other side. On this side of the globe, on planet Earth, is a beautiful place called Japan. Now, in Japan, let's look at the map. See, this is where we live. We're going to go all the way across to Japan, across the world. Now, in Japan, they also like to go to the beach during the summer, their summertime, and they like to do some maybe crab catching or some catching of try starfish, maybe anything they can find that is super fun. They like to do some catching there on the beach. Maybe they'll find some shrimp or who knows, some hermit crabs, fun things. They also like like Argentina, they like to go white water rafting in big tubes as families and have some fun there. You can see, boys and girls, that no matter where around the world, whether you're where we live or you come all the way down to Argentina, or if you travel way up to this side where India is, or hop back over this area to England, or you go all the way on the other side of the world to where Japan is, they all like to do fun things during the summer like we do. And I will say, friends, getting back to Japan, they start their summer right after Easter. What? We still have school at that time. But everybody's summertime is different, but we all like to do the same things. So, what I want to know tomorrow on our Zoom time is, what is it that you like to do? What's your favorite thing to do during the summer? Go ahead and draw a picture on a piece of paper of what you love to do in the summertime. Do you like to swim in the pools? Do you like to go to the beach? Do you like to ride your bike? Do you like to have a picnic where you lay your blanket out with a basket you take, have some yummy snacks? Draw a picture of what you love to do during the summertime. And I can't wait to see you on Zoom. Again, come with me on Zoom so we could go with the Berenstein Bears all around the world as they travel. I'll see you soon, friends.